I'm telling you, learning English can be tricky sometimes, especially with all these expressions. Wait, what does that actually mean? If you've ever been confused by phrases like, I'm telling you, you're not alone. Stick around, and you'll unlock the secret to sounding truly native. So, what does I'm telling you really mean? It's often not a literal declaration of speech, but a powerful intensifier. Think of it as adding emphasis, conviction, or a strong opinion to what you're saying. It signals that the following statement is important or deeply felt. This phrase elevates your statement, making it more impactful than a simple I think or I believe. It's about expressing certainty and passion. Unlike some idioms with dramatic backstories, I'm telling you evolved organically from everyday speech patterns. It's a natural linguistic shift. Over time, the literal act of telling transformed into a way to intensify a point. It's less about new information and more about the speaker's conviction. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're raving about a new restaurant. I'm telling you, that new pizza place has the best pepperoni I've ever tasted. Here, it emphasizes your strong opinion, not just stating a fact. You're trying to convince your friend they have to try it. Or maybe you're giving some serious advice. I'm telling you, you really need to get some rest if you want to feel better tomorrow. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a firm recommendation born from concern. You're emphasizing the importance of the action. You can even use it to express frustration or exasperation. I'm telling you, I already explained this 3 times. Here, it highlights your annoyance that your point isn't being understood. It's a way to add emotional weight to your repeated statement. Now for some pro tips. I'm telling you is a casual phrase. Avoid using it in formal settings like business presentations or academic papers. A common mistake is using it when simply relaying information without any strong feeling. It sounds unnatural if there's no conviction behind it. Remember, the power of I'm telling you comes from your tone and context. It's about how you feel about what you're saying. So, I'm telling you is your secret weapon for adding emphasis and conviction to your American English conversations. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Native Lingo for more insights into how Americans really talk. Next time, we're breaking down another expression that sounds wild, but means something completely different. You won't want to miss it.